Today I'm going to show you how to wash pillows inside of a Samsung washing machine. Right here I have some old pillows, and occasionally I like to wash my pillows and wash them in my wash machine. All right, but I have to have the right setting in order to do that, to make sure that the pillows are washed thoroughly, rinsed properly, so I can sleep comfortably at night. So let's go through the process. So right here I have my Samsung washing machine. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Now this is a front loading wash machine that I'm doing this on, so important to take note of that. Now I have the pillows right here. Now if you have your pillows, you might want to read the instructions on how to wash it. If you see right here, getting closer so you can see this one actually has this down here. It says machine wash warm, non-chlorine bleach when needed. Tumble dry, low heat, remove promptly, do not iron. I don't know why you'd want to iron your pillow, but I guess some people do that. So I'm not here to judge. I'll just listen, I guess. Is that the saying? I don't know. But either way, I'm going to have my pillows right here, and I'm going to put them in the wash machine. Now, it's important to note, if you have wash machine pods that require you to put them inside of the drum, you should do that first if you have those wash machine pods. Some wash machines allow you to add them to the detergent drawer. However, this one right here does not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add my pillows to the drum because I'm not using a wash machine pod. I'm just using powdered laundry detergent because I'm tired of using the pods. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these pillows inside of it. Now, when putting the pillows inside of your Samsung wash machine, you should not overstuff the drum with the pillows. Because the size of my drum is actually large, I'm going to add 2 pillows. If you have a really large drum, you could possibly add 3, but I stick to adding 2 pillows to it. So this pillow right here is slightly different. It doesn't have the care tag on it, so I'm just going to assume that it's the same as this one. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one inside of the drum. Now it said machine wash on warm. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add the pillows. Now once the pillows are in there securely, make sure they're in there evenly right there. If you have a newer Samsung wash machine, it should even them out quite perfectly inside of the drum. So now that I have the pillows inside of the drum, I'm going to go ahead and shut the door. Now the next thing that you want to do is add the detergent. Now with this Samsung washing machine, it has the detergent drawer up at the top. Okay, so if you see right here, it says detergent main wash. This one is for powder only. If I wanted to add liquid detergent, there's a small cup that I put right here, and I put the liquid detergent in right here. That's just for this specific model. Your model may not have that. So you have the cup that goes in here for the liquid. I add the appropriate amount of liquid according to the detergent instructions to that. Now this one I'm using powder, so I'm just going to add it directly right here. Now on this Samsung washing machine, they have other compartments. They have a compartment for bleach. All right, you see that bleach right here? I'm not going to use bleach, as it specifically said, do not use bleach on that pillow. I'm not going to use bleach, but that is the compartment for bleach. And some people may want to use fabric softener. However, I do not use fabric softener for the reason that fabric softener can build up on the material of the laundry, the clothing, the material, the fabric. Okay, it builds up on it, and you'll have to do something like a vinegar wash to release that. I could possibly do a video on a vinegar wash to release some of the built up scum, soap scum that comes on the clothing or the material, fabric, in a later video. But right here, I'm going to add the powdered detergent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here, and here is, I'm Tide. All right, this is the Tide laundry detergent. You see, it's powdered right here. I prefer to use powder. And on the side of this, it talks about how much to use. Okay, so it says for medium loads, use up to the first mark. Large loads, use up to the third mark. And for high efficiency full loads, use up to the fifth mark right there. Okay, so I'm going to use this as a medium, maybe a little bit less than medium because I don't prefer a lot of soap to clean my pillows. They're not that dirty, soiled, whatever. And so I'm going to go ahead and get this to the third mark, maybe a little bit lower. All right, even it out, about third mark. And so I'm going to take this and I'm going to go ahead and apply this, put this inside of the compartment right here. See, watch this. Put it in the compartment. So now the soap is there. I'm going to return this and put it back into this. Now, sometimes I like to use something like Nature's Miracle Laundry Boost. This is an in-wash stain and odor remover. This is basically digestive enzymes, okay, to digest fats, oils, and carbohydrates from off of your clothing or your fabric. I like to use enzymes, and I usually use Nature's Miracle, or there's another brand that I use. It's somewhere around here, all right? But I don't have any left right here, so I'm not going to use this. But this is a good option. You just add this to a little bit with the detergent, and it actually helps with getting your pillows or clothing clean. This is Nature's Miracle Laundry Boost. I'm not going to use that. So now I have the detergent in there. I'm going to go ahead and shut the drawer. I'm going to come back down here, and I'm going to select the appropriate wash. So I'm going to go ahead and power it on. You hear that? It just powered on. Now on here, there's a lot of different options of what to choose from. I've actually, with my pillows, I've done the sanitize mode. You may not want to do that depending on your pillows because it could cause perhaps damage because that uses very hot temperature to clean it. Some people use normal with just the warm wash right here, which I can go over. But this particular wash machine has a bedding feature. So I'm going to use the bedding feature right here. So that's really good. So I normally use normal, makes sense. I have done sanitize or allergen right there to do this, but I'm just going to go with the bedding setting because this wash machine has that to offer. So once I have selected on the bedding setting, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to make my selection. Okay, like the instructions on the pillow said, use warm water. So select that and make sure that is warm water. And it also asks if you what spin you want to use, how fast of a spin you want to use. I prefer maybe medium, not low. I want medium, so it drains a lot of the water out of it, so it makes drying the pillows easier. So I have that. Now I'm also selecting the extra rinse because I want the pillows to be rinsed of as much detergent as possible. So I use the extra rinse feature for this one. And then I'm also going to use the extra spin, okay? So the extra spin will allow more of the water to get out, which makes drying more efficient, okay? And then there is also a steam option right here, okay? And I'm going to use the steam option because I find that the steam option from the Samsung wash machine actually helps get the material a lot cleaner. Okay, I use the steam option. You may not want to do it depending on the type of fabric you are washing inside of your Samsung wash machine. So now that I have all of that set, I have extra rinse, I have extra spin, I have steam going right here, I have the temperature set at warm, and the spin speed at medium. It's going to take about almost 1 hour and 53 minutes for it to get done. And after I've had all this selected right here that I need selected, okay, I'm going to go right here and I'm going to press start. And just like that, that's how you wash pillows in a Samsung washing machine. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.